Hey you guys, we're back with part 2, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Alright, so this is the hair in its natural state. I let it air dry. It looks pretty nice. So we're going to go in. I'm using a heat protectant by Garnier Fructis. And we are going in with small sections. I am using my Babybliss Titanium Pro flat iron. I really love this flat iron. It's the best flat iron I've ever used. So I'm just going to go through, silk press it out. As you can see here, it's butter. It's shiny. It's lustrous. It's bouncy. And all of the above, honey.
I got bitches tryna play me. Bitches tryna date me. Tryna have my baby. I can't have that shit on. I got paper that I'm chasing. I've been stacking daily. I've been elevated. Tryna do better. Until I get in my mind and get personal. I told her, little baby, I need a percentage. I hope you don't take this shit personal. My baby just play a position. Cause I know this commitment ain't come with a ring. I'm just the artist that's chasing a dream. I'm just the artist that's chasing my...
So I molded the middle part with the mousse. And going in with my wax stick and my hot comb to make it flat, you guys. It has to lay down flat. You know, we know it's a wig, but we want to create the illusion that it's your hair. So when I tell you I will go over a part over and over, honey, and this is the finished product, period.
But that's not me, my nigga. I got bitches tryna play me. Bitches tryna date me. Tryna have my baby.
She is flat. I don't like a lumpy wig. I don't think that's cute. Look how flat it is at the top. And that's a 4x4 closure. The hair is silky, smooth, lustrous. Absolutely love the color. I'm not going to lie. I love the color. And now we're going to box her up and ship her to her owner. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I will be back with more content just for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.